Welcome to GC Quick Tips channel. Let's talk about Microsoft Excel Ribbon. The Excel Ribbon is the toolbar interface, graphical user interface element in Microsoft Excel and other Office applications that provides a convenient way to access various commands, organizes features and commands into tabs, making it easier to find and use various functionalities. It is located at the top of the Excel window. It was introduced in Excel 2007, replacing the traditional menus and toolbars. Ribbon key elements include File menu,
Tabs,
Groups, Ribbon content tabs, Quick access toolbar. The File tab in Excel, also known as the Backstage view, opens a separate menu where you can perform various file-related actions like saving, opening, printing, sharing, and more. The Excel tabs are located in the ribbon, organized into a set of related commands. Each of the tabs provide a convenient way to access various features and functions within the application. The Home tab is the default tab that contains the frequently used commands for basic formatting. It contains groups for clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. The Insert tab is used to add various elements to the worksheet, such as tables, charts, pictures, shapes, hyperlinks, text boxes, and sparklines. The Page Layout tab handles the appearance of the worksheet, page setup options. This includes margins, orientation, and printing option, etc. The Formulas tab controls the tools for creating and working with formulas and functions. These include Function Library, named Ranges, Formula Auditing, and Calculation options. The Data tab provides the tools that manage the data analysis tasks. It is used to analyze and manipulate data. These include importing data, sorting, filtering, data validation, what-if analysis, and data connections. The Review tab contains the command tools for proofing and securing the workbook. These include spelling check, comments, track changes, protect workbook/worksheet, and accessibility options. The View tab provides option to control the display of the workbook. These include workbook views, zoom, freeze panes, split, grid lines, and headings.